We are now getting some breaking news on the broadcast. We're learning that security has been tightened in West Bengal's Murshidabad district ahead of a contentious foundation laying ceremony that has been planned by suspended Trinamool Congress MLA Humayun Kabir, who has in fact announced that he will be inaugurating a structure named Babri Masjid in Beldanga, and the suspended TMC MLA Kabir has also said that he will lay the foundation stone of the Babri Masjid today, and this will be taking place in Murshidabad in the Beldanga area.
Yes.
ऐसा ही बोलेंगे, सब लोगों को भलाई चाहिए, सब लोग को अच्छा से यार रखना चाहिए। और वो जो मस्जिद होने वाला है, अगले दिन मस्जिद को साथ साथ कोई हॉस्पिटल भी बनेगी, कोई मेडिकल कॉलेज भी बनेगी, कोई विश्वविद्यालय भी बनेगी, कोई पार्क भी बनेगी, एक रेस्तरां भी बनेगी, इनको साथ साथ एक हेलीपैड भी तैयार।
Across to my colleague Kamalika, who's with us on the broadcast. Kamalika, first of all, how has this announcement been made by the suspended TMC MLA, and what is this Babri Masjid's foundation stone laying ceremony all about? We do see ample police presence, but why has there nothing been done about it to stop it?
See, right now we are standing there, the program which is taking place here. This is the place in Murshidabad. You can see that Humayun Kabir is there, and also he is claiming that two persons from Saudi Arabia, they have also from Mecca, they have also come here, and this is the stage from where the stone laying ceremony will take place. Sometimes from now, you can see that Humayun Kabir, and if we show the other side, then you can see a huge crowd has also come. People have come from different places for this program today, and you can see this.
Between Beldanga and Lezinagar, we know that the High Court has not intervened.
Security has been deployed, and though it is a very controversial thing, definitely the date is a controversial date. The name Babri is controversial, but here they are saying that they will do the program and then they will go. It should be a peaceful program. Let me tell you that this is a very sensitive area in entire Bengal, Murshidabad, and today such a program here definitely has its own ramification. And in one hand, Trinamool Congress has suspended this MLA. He is doing it by his own. He is saying that he will do it, and today is the stone laying ceremony. But it has to be completed by 2 o'clock. That's what has been told to him by the police. So definitely here in Murshidabad, Humayun Kabir coming up with written that Babri Masjid stone laying ceremony. This is the ceremony of stone laying Babri Masjid. So definitely all eyes are here. It is everywhere, high alert is there, and definitely the political war of words is also there. The court has told the police to ensure law and order, and the police, more than 3,000 police have been deployed. 19 companies of central forces are also here.
Right, do stay on with me, Kamalika. Clearly, all the action is right where Kamalika is currently standing. Any minute, we would see speeches that would be, in fact, given out from that very dais where this Babri Masjid stone-laying foundation ceremony has been announced by suspended Trinamool Congress MLA Humayun Kabir. He says that he will be laying the foundation stone of the Babri Masjid today at Beldanga, from where Kamalika has been live with us from. And he is stressing that this event is going to take place today. He's also spoken about how members from Mecca, representatives there, also have come into West Bengal for this particular ceremony. And considering it is what he's calling it as a Babri Masjid foundation stone laying ceremony, this has deemed to become rather controversial. Clearly, a lot of opposition voices in the state of West Bengal, particularly from the Bharatiya Janata Party,